Here's another way that we can find the area of a triangle when we don't know the base or height of the triangle. We looked at, in a previous video, a way to do this involving sine. In this video, we're going to use something called the semi-perimeter and use this in Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle. This formula works for any triangle, and it's really useful because we can use it when all we know are the three sides of the triangle. So the way it works is, first I need to find the semi-perimeter of the triangle. The semi-perimeter is just half of the perimeter. So to find the semi-perimeter, we add up the three sides and divide by 2 or multiply by a half. So let's go ahead and do that first. So the semi-perimeter of this triangle is a half the sum of the three sides, which are 5, 8, and 11. So adding up 5, 8, and 11 and dividing that by 2, I find the semi-perimeter of this triangle to be 12. So the way this works then in Heron's formula to find the area is the area of a triangle is equal to the square root of the semi-perimeter, and then I'm going to multiply this by three things, and those three things are the semi-perimeter minus the three individual sides. So the semi-perimeter minus the first side, the semi-perimeter minus the second side, and the semi-perimeter minus the third side. And it doesn't really matter what order those are in, since we're just going to end up multiplying these pieces together anyway. So I'd recommend you don't type all this in your calculator. It's easy to make a mistake. Instead, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of work. Subtract each of those parentheses first. So that's a 7, that's a 4, and that's a 1 when I subtract each of those. Finally, I'm going to multiply those together. 12 times 7 times 4 times 1 gets me 336. To finish it, then I'll use my calculator to get the square root of 336. And I find the area of this triangle is approximately 18.33. And since I don't have any label for sides, I'll just say units squared. So that's the area of this triangle. It's a really cool, really simple formula to do, and it's great because all we have to know are the three sides of the triangle. I don't need a base, I don't need a height, I don't need any angles. All I need to know are the three sides.